All right, familia. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good to be with you this morning. It's 9:30 or at least 9:34. We are officially in our first trading room for the day. Good morning, traders, to everybody. Sammy, I see you there. Tanya, I see you there. Jules, I see you there. Good morning. Brett, there we go, there we go, there we go. We're online. Guys, like the stream, like the stream. We're going to get started now. Before we do that, though, remember this video is opinion, guys. Please do not construe this as advice in any way. Goeiemorgen, Sambanani Kaya. Hope you guys are doing wonderful on your side over there. 9:35 at the moment. We are in the London session right now. And I must say, we are doing wonderfully, isn't it so? Let's get the guys online real quick. Quick. Sure, I see you. Quick. Oh, yeah, Jules. But I mean, look at the movement. The movement is absolutely spot on accurate. Come on. Where's the guys? Let's get everybody online here first. Give it another minute or so, guys. Another minute or so. Let's get the guys online. Like the stream, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, guys? Let me know if you are ready. We're about to get going. Are you ready? All right, guys. I think we're gonna get moving here. It's 9:37. Good time for us. I see the guys are ready now. Let's move. Let's move here now, guys. Very interesting here this morning. We have been absolutely spot on with our first day in. So just a little bit of a market update here for the guys. Remember, the market is still being driven by the US and Iranian conflict, guys. There are reports that both sides are discussing a possible ceasefire at this point, guys, and which has obviously helped calm the markets a little. And that's why oil pulled back yesterday. We saw that yesterday, guys. Excuse me. And so, the situation is still very uncertain, though, as we do know. So traders are really keeping a very close eye on every headline. That's inclusive of us. We're doing that as well. Yes, yes, yes. That is us as well. If you look at the crude oil, guys, if you look at it, we're now at 87. We were down to about 84. And so what's important, even though it eased a little slightly there, guys, it's still elevated. And you can see the elevation coming here after our chats. I said to you, this looks like a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head and shoulder neckline was broken. This is a correction. Like I said to you, I'm not doing anything unless price starts reacting there. All right, so price already reacted there last night. We were obviously not online for that, but this is a correction from that reaction, and now we're anticipating the oil price to push up a little bit more, which means the dollar's strength could come in. Is that not wonderful? So you guys, you better give a shout out here to the stream. I mean, you guys have come to the right place. All right. Iran just said 2 oil tankers caught fire. Oh, Noveni. Listen here, Nov. Listen here. Listen here. Those oil tankers, Iran said it. Come on. I know you as well as me. There has to be something happening over there. All right. Iran said that 2 oil tankers just caught fire. How convenient, isn't it so? Iran said it. This is doing and creating disruption in the supply. So, it's all about narrative. All right, it's about narrative. And so if that happens, disruption, what happens? Fear comes into the market and we see, boom, price starts pushing again. So because of this, we are looking at the stronger dollar just like we did yesterday. Remember, we were all about the stronger dollar yesterday. We had the correction. All right. Now, does Ash still want to trade the gold down? Yes, absolutely. I would love to trade the gold down. All right. However, if the opportunity to continue to the upside with the higher time frames is there, I'm going for that. I'm definitely going in for that. But right now, we are still, all right, just above the neckline at this point in time. So we're watching that very, very, very carefully. All right. Guys, also just on the crude oil, you'll notice I'm spending time chatting about an asset for as long as I possibly can before moving on to the one. Why? Because there's guys that are here for the first time. There's guys that want some levels. So make sure your MT5 is on. Switch on your MT5 quickly, guys. Switch on the MT5. Please do not be online without your MetaTrader 5 being online. Do not just sit and make notes or just listen. Get your MT5 open and make sure that you are looking at the levels we're looking at, because I'm about to expose the levels that are so accurate here. All right. So remember here, guys, higher oil prices usually means higher inflation, and that's important for interest rates. Interest rates. Now, the oil price has surged, right? We went up from 84. We are at 88, between 88 and 87 right now. Now, what has happened to gold? What has happened to gold? When price pushed down, remember, guys, look at this. We said anything above 4036, where do we go? 4083. Now, I have a confession here, guys. I have a confession here. Okay? Ash missed this one. Ash missed this one. I'm not upset, but I am I'm disappointed that I missed it. I just was not able to get to my charts earlier, early this morning, guys. I just was not. Look what happened early this morning at 3:45. I know there's guys that said something. Hold on. I got Brett got some moves there. Sammy, you got moves there. Tanya, I'm telling you guys. Brett, I'm telling you. Jules, I'm telling you. Mohasi, Teedo, listen to this. Guys, we had all these moves in here. This thing went on a rampage early this morning. Ash missed this thing. Ash missed it. But tell me, you guys, I know there's guys that got it here. Quickly, put in the chat facility. Put in the chat facility real quickly. Let's see who the heroes are of this morning quickly. Brett, I'm telling you, Tabato missed it with me. Hey guys, me and Tabato, we missed it. Brett, I welcome the sentiment, my friend. Nontando, yeah. The oven baked, the bread flowed. Listen, guys. At the end of the day, come on, let's like the stream. Let's show some love for the accuracy in our trading rooms, guys. That's why we need to feed the algorithm so that the people that are missing out on on great content, they can get themselves in here as well. So I'm really proud of you guys, all the guys that have that was in the streams yesterday. You listened to it, you got your levels, and you managed to bank your profits. Well freaking done. Well done. So proud of you guys. All right, so that's the gold, right? What about the silver? Look at this, guys. So both of them moved. And because I missed gold, I missed silver. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? So guys, great levels given yesterday, but missed it, guys. Both gold and silver. All right, but again, I'm gonna say this to you guys because we've become family here. All right, Notando, Sayu, Mosela, yes. So that's 4 times a day, my friend. Notando, are you here for the first time? Quickly let us know that we wanna. Yes, this is silver now, but let us know. Is this your first time? We want to welcome you. Quickly. Let me know. Jules, I received that, my friend. I receive it. Brett, I received that. That's brilliant, man. Notando, quickly tell me, is this your first time? Because the guys know how we work here. Culture, we want to welcome you. You have come to the right place. You can ask any of the guys that's on here. You've come to the right place. All right? You've come to the right place. So both gold and silver. Now, remember, guys, what's important for you guys to know is demonstration here. Even although Ash missed the gold and silver, even although I analyzed it with you guys yesterday, we mentioned week 1. Look how accurately it closed at that 4083. Look at this. Look at the accuracy on that. It literally went to 4083, touched it, and then it reacted at that level. Look at the accuracy there. The moment we broke above the 436, we ascended to the upside. The same with silver. Look at this. We have yet to reach that. Now, what is one of the good things that I need to show all of you guys here? I have to demonstrate discipline and not show you the opposite. Okay? I missed it. So I can't go. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I can't go and do the opposite right now. I missed it. You guys caught it. Are we together? You guys were up. You guys saw it. You were with me in the trading room. I missed it. I can't get into these trades now. So I have to demonstrate discipline to you at the same time, even although, like Brett said, sometimes feeling gutted that I didn't get into it. It's not a nice feeling to know that, so I have to laugh it off. I have to make sure that I express discipline at the same time teaching accuracy. I'm not exempt. Are we together, everybody? Is everybody with me there? I am not exempt from making mistakes. If I get in right now, then I will not be trading as someone that has some mileage under his belt. Are we together, guys? I need to show restraint, self-restraint. So I'm going to leave it. I'm proud of you guys. You guys done wonderfully. It is beautiful to see that you guys are committing yourself to this thing. It's beautiful. And that's what this culture is about. So obviously we have other assets that Ash is looking at. that I will get into. You guys know that I was in the GBP USD as well. It has corrected a little bit there. You guys know the Euro NZD. Who got in the Euro NZD with me there? Anyone that got into the Euro NZD there with me? Guess what? I got triggered at my take profit. I'm out of that one. Is there anyone there? Anyone there, guys, that got out there? My take profit hit. I got in right there. My Euro NZD hit my take profit. I'm out of that one there. Young Sunny, thank you for that comment there as well. Okay, because that comment is showing us something very important, that we have to be accountable, isn't it so? All right. Tato. And that was a big move, guys. Let's see what you guys got here. This was a big move, guys. My God. Oh, my word. 400 pips. Woo, you guys banked, man. You guys banged. Whoa, guys. Listen, 400 pips. You guys banked, man. Jeepers creepers. Whoa. All right. Okay. Euro NZD, guys. Euro NZD. Who got in there? Quickly, guys. It hit my take profit. I'm out of it. I'm out of Euro NZD. CHF JPY has gone to the first area. Who brought this up yesterday? This was guys, who was this yesterday? Tabatso, was this you? Or was it Matume? I hope Matume is on. I don't know who this was. CHF JPY, and I said, what a beautiful trade. And I got in here. I joined. 201.10. I know it was 201.30. That was it Matume or Tabatso? It went up. That took me out this morning, then went up. Yes. So I did not. I held on to this one here, Brett. No, it's not. So it might have been Matume. I hope Matume was online. It would be nice. All right. So CHF JPY, guys, I'm in profits on this one. I'm sitting in some good profits here. I'm waiting for the 201.10, like mentioned yesterday. All right. Beautiful movement. Lots of divergence here. Said this was a beautiful trade. I stand by that. Beautiful trade. That's why I went in. Trendsphere. Yes, Trendsphere. Guys, let's give Trendsphere a round of applause. Come on, Trend. That's it, my man. There we go. Trend, guys, give Trendsphere a round of applause. Yes. Show some love. That's it. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Well done. That's it. That's what we're talking about. All right. That's what we're talking about. All the other guys that are not in here, they are missing out. They're missing out. All right. So Euro NZD done. CHF JPY, we are still in. Brett, obviously you made up for that on the gold, right, Brett? Made up for that on the and then we have the gold and silver. Some of you guys are obviously eating nicely over there. Then we go to Euro USD, guys. All right, where's Savage? Hopefully Savage will be on at midday. We'll see if Savage comes in at 12 o'clock. Do you guys see how great the 4 trading rooms is? Because now we have different times where I can actually gauge where you might be coming in. If you're not in on the 9:30, I might be seeing you at 12. It's like you're visiting here. All right. You know what, Brett? The gold there, eating on the gold, there's a correction here, obviously. All right, that's going to be important. Why? Because of the rejected states here. Price fell here once, it fell twice, it came at 3 times. So there might be a 4th pattern here. If we are going to trade gold higher, all right, if we're going to be trading gold higher, please understand the reason why gold is being supported at this moment is because of the geopolitical uncertainty, okay? If we're going to be trading gold higher, then we got to switch it up now to a higher time frame. So let me quickly do that. I'm going to go for a higher time frame because then that will give you an indication of whether we can still hold it or not, all right? So here we go. So gold, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. We have just missed. Hold on, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you now. Give me a second. Let me get to work here. All right. So can you see this area over here? This is a very important zone. 4112. Then I have 4203. So let me black that out for you, and then I can do this. Hold on. So what's going to happen here now, I'm just looking for the divergence. Yeah, there's divergence here. All right. So if we break above this area, see here, anything can happen right now because we've already reached an area of rejection. So you can hold it. If you hold it up to 4112, you can. But if it gets rejected here, you're going to be in a bit of trouble. All right. This is 400 pips. That's a lot of cash. All right. So what's important here is if price breaks above 4112. All right, so that's where Ash is going to commit to. I'm going to keep watching this gold now because you guys cashed in nicely there. All right, I hope you're smiling like I'm smiling over here. All right, so 4112, 4203.64, that's where we at. All right, so if it can break above, if we can break above 4112.26, I'm getting in there. Oh, what a move. So I want you to think about it now. Look at this area of rejection here. Coming down, coming down, coming down. We are in that zone now. So there is a high probability we've also reached overbought status. So we might get a correction. I am still looking for upside here, guys. All right. I am still looking for upside here. But I'm going to be waiting now. I'm going to be waiting in the shadows because we might get a stronger dollar here again today. Maybe midday or 3 o'clock. It's possible. That will give us a correction. So please watch that very, very carefully. All right. Then GBP USD here. You can see I'm still looking to go down, guys. I'm still looking to go down here. That's what I'm saying. That, what do you call it? The stronger dollar might just be pushing today. We may just be pushing today. I'm still seeing the downside here. That's the GBP USD. Euro USD, like Robert said, man, Robert sees it down, going down to 1.13955. I'm looking beyond that a little bit. I'd like to see it move towards these areas over here because anything from there to there will be a better number for me. Okay, so GBP USD, I'm still there. I'm still very, very much, into this one for that short. So I'm not moving away from the GBP USD. Then I got AUD USD here. All right, I got AUD USD here. And AUD USD, hold on, guys. AUD USD at this point, there is divergence here, but I'm not trusting the divergence that much, to be honest, on the minute frames. I'm trusting it more on the hourly frames. So what I'm going to do with the AUD USD, just so you do know, just so that we are not out of the loop here, okay? When it comes to the AUD USD, there is some stuff that we need to consider regarding the fundamental side. The Australian dollar is still performing, guys. It's clear as daylight here, all right? Because traders are expecting the Reserve Bank of Australia to still raise those rates later this year. So keep an eye on Australia's employment data, which is happening Thursday. I mentioned that yesterday. All right. This could be the driver for the Aussie. Now, if you remember, this is the one profile I had. On the other profile with the hourly frames, I'm going there now, just so you guys can see. All right. Just so you guys can see. And I'm going to go to the Australian versus the USD. Okay, it's just loading. Just give it a chance there quickly. It's just loading. And on my profile, all right. Hold on. All right. On my profile with the hourlies, remember? Oh, hold on. Let me just confirm. You guys still remember I said I have a profile for the hourlies and I have a profile for the minutes. Who remembers that? I have a profile for the hourly movements of assets and a profile for the minute movements. Who remembers that? Let's quickly get a quick tally here. Who remembers that? Let's see. Quickly, guys. Quickly. Yes. All right. Now, I've gone to the hourly movements of these assets now, not the minutes. So here we have, remember we had the gold. You can see it has not moved past 4110. You can see it. It's not moved past there. So we looked at the minute movement there, which has come to pass. It's good. All right. The oil price, you can see 81. It's come to pass. So 93 is still where Ash is looking for it to go. But on the minute frames, now you can understand why. If I go to a 15 minute, there's the same head and shoulder pattern. Broke the neckline. But remember, it does not mean it is passing this. This is still what we're looking for, 93. That's just a correction. That's it. All right. The Euro USD, you can see where we are. We're still there. We've not moved. The NZD USD, look at this. We're still there. The AUD USD, you can see I'm still there on the bullish side of AUD USD. So all you guys saw there was the minute movement of that. That is it. That is it. It does not mean I've moved away from the hourlies. This is a H4 frame here. All right. That's important. That's important to realize here now. USD CAD. Although we had the CAD come down, all right, you can see here that there's still a lot of upside that's needed here. Lots of upside. Look at that. USD JPY. We are here as well on the minute frames, but you can see it's going deep into that resistance. Now, from the New Zealand dollar perspective, it's also staying pretty strong there, guys, all right? After that higher than expected inflation, it actually reinforced the expectations for more interest rate hikes, guys. Okay, so even although it looks like it is, stalling over here, we're expecting those hikes to push it up further. But the dollar and the other major currencies, they can't raise their rates at the same time. All right? Are we together, guys? All right? There is not a time when you're going to see them all raise their rates. They can't do that. They can't do that. No, yes, guys. Like the live, guys. Like it. So many people can see, yes, there we go. That's it. I love it. Guys, they can't raise their rates at the same time. They got to take chances. Because what rates does to a currency, it increases the value. Because investors are rushing to those treasury yields. So they can't raise them at the same time. They raise them at different times so they each can have a turn. So later this year could be November for Australia. September is the dollar. So we're seeing here that they're taking their chances. So NZD USD, AUD USD is still strong here. That's very important to remember. Look at the USD Swiss franc. Even although we saw it move up yesterday to the 0.81, it's come down again. I'm still waiting for the USD Swiss franc to tank. It's not moved yet. This is the hourly frames here. It needs to dip below 80050. It's still in that resistance. It's deep in that resistance there on the hourlies, but not the minutes. The minutes, it is more bullish. So that's important for us to understand that, guys. All right. It's very important for us to understand that. All right. Then BTC, just so you do know, Tabatso, were you on BTC? What did I say to you guys? Above 64,000, Ash is getting in. I am in on BTC. I'm holding BTC right now. And I do think we're going to 73. We're going to go and hit this trend line over here, 73. I'm already in. I got in after 64,000. I don't remember who it was, but someone wanted BTC. Was it Tabatso? You can let me know that, all right? And then I see you asking for NZD JPY. Now, Tabatso, do you want NZD? Oh, it's Sammy. Sammy. Okay, good. Sammy, thank you, my friend. Listen, are you also in there? Let me know if you've also gotten into BTC now. Tabatso, on your NZD JPY, do you want it analyzed on minutes or do you want it analyzed on hourlies? What are you looking for there? Quickly, put it in the chat facility. All right, put in the chat facility. And guys, don't forget to open up your MT5. All right, we're splitting the analysis. On the one side, we do minutes. On the other side, we do hourlies, guys, because we have the skill to do that. All right, hold on for me, guys. Hold on for me here. I just want to see what else we were looking at hourlies. All right, there wasn't anything else on the hourlies here for now. Let me just see. Euro AUD did not go. This was me and Teedo? No, it was Jason. I said above 1.66. AUD CAD has still not moved down. GBP AUD has moved down. I know someone's holding GBP AUD. It could be Tabatso. Tabatso, it's now gone to my 1.91. It's gone to my 1.91. I think we're gonna push till about here, roughly 1.89. Remember that's hourlies now, guys. You want an hourly, all right? Sammy, yes, since 4 a.m. Beautiful, man. So there's definitely lots of profits here, guys. There's lots of profits here. All right, AUD NZD. Finally, look at this. Finally, looking to go up there. NZD CAD. Where were we? This one is very disappointing, though. I'll be honest. This one is disappointing. Didn't do anything on GBP NZD. I close it up. I'll close the oil price up. We haven't done anything there. Okay, let's go back to our minute frames, guys. Our hourlies now. That's where we are. All right, I got you. NZD JPY. It's just loading, guys. Just give it a second. It's loading. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. NZD JPY. Then I'll go back to the other guys. NZD JPY. NZD. Let's go to work. All right, so NZD JPY hourly right now. Lots of divergence. Wow. Where are you looking to trade this to? Woo, what a trade. What a trade. All right, so this is actually a wow. Hold on, guys. This is a proper hold, eh? Okay, so I'll be watching. I think so. Here, I think price will do this. All right, I think price will do something like this. Those highs I'll watch very carefully over there. Come on now. And then I'm looking for the drop. Let me just put my arrow there. Then I'll look for the drop. All right, so 94.660. That's what I'm going to be looking for. 94. 94.660. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Are you with me there? 94, 15-minute frame. All right, that's what I'm going to be looking for. 94.660. Once it breaks beneath there, I'll be shorting. And then 93.226. We could just get this here, guys. Beautiful trade. Let's give Tabatso a round of applause for this one, guys. 146 pips. Let's give Tabatso a round here, guys. Don't be jealous now. Let's give Tabatso a round of applause on this one. Beautiful. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. 94.660. Right there. Right there. Beautiful trade. So I'll be watching this very carefully. All right, let's quickly go CHF JPY. Let's see where we're at. Okay, beautiful. Looks like we may be finishing off this move. AUDJPY, guys, I said to you, I'm watching these highs here. It broke above. I'm not interested here. I'm not interested there. USD CAD. Can you guys see what I'm saying? There's a bit of a correction that's still happening here on the dollar. We pushed up now. This is the correction happening. Euro CAD. I am. Was there anyone else that took the Euro CAD here quickly, guys? Euro CAD. Man, this is beautiful, guys. Second day in on our trading week, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now imagine we still have 3 days left. All right, so EuroCAD. Anyone else here on EuroCAD, guys? Because this one, we still see it moving to the upside here. GBP CAD, surprisingly, look at this, guys. Look at the GBP CAD. How crazy is this? It went to those zones there, guys. Look how crazy this is. Spot on. Absolutely spot on here, guys. Look at this. It's astounding. That's what I'm saying, guys. All the people that are not on here, all of this is simplified stuff. There's no difficulty in what we're doing here. You are at the right place. You are at the right place, guys. All right. Remember, guys, questions are welcomed. Ask your questions. Ask your questions. That's what we're here for. Euro GBP. Look at Euro GBP. Still a great trade here. I'm still in Euro GBP. I've entered right there at 84986. I'm now waiting for the ascension. I'm waiting for the ascension to the upside. It's taking a bit of time, this one, but that's what the Euro GBP does. It moves, quite a bit in a consolidated zone, and then eventually it starts moving. That's just the pattern of Euro GBP. That's it. All right. S&P 500, guys. This one here on the minute frame is going to be interesting, and that's what I want to do now. I'm going to do a minute movement here. Okay, I'm going to do a minute movement here. So there's a bit of divergence over there. All right, but let's go to the 15 minutes. Give it a bit of time. Let it just. There we go. See the divergence here? So 7514, because if I take my fib, seven five two one, we've already come through the 57,480. You guys see that? So a move above here. This is a beautiful move, man. This is minutes now, guys. Look at this. It actually rejected. So a move above there. Beautiful. 7495. This is S&P 500. Up to 7521.01. No. Sorry about that. 7521.01. Apologies, guys. There we go. I see you, Brett. All right, so look at this, guys. S&P 500, NASDAQ here. I said, watch these highs. Look. I said, watch the highs. 29,000. So if we get a move on the S&P, we get a move on the NAS. Oh, man, what a beautiful. This is something I want to go for. 29,000, man, 89. up to 29,622. All right. Okay, let's loop back. So the oil price, look at this. It's really at this zone here. This is still very uncertain, guys. The reason why this is uncertain, remember I said to you I'm looking for a sell beneath 84, right? It's almost like price is drawn towards 84. So for me, I wanted the break of the neckline, but then I wanted price to go up further. Now what it's done is it created a high, comes down, creates a lower high instead of a higher high. That's telling us that this structure is struggling to go up, which is feeding into my narrative of 84.550, which is extremely interesting. All right. So with the oil price coming down, gold is continuing up, silver is continuing up, Euro USD could be pushing up, GBP USD could be pushing a little bit further up. All right. USD JPY, this one is a bit different in terms of correlation. We might be going back to this higher first. That means the AUD USD is pulling up. NZD USD could be pushing up because of the oil price that comes down. If the oil price goes up, the dollar strengthens there. So right now we are dealing, and even if you go to the dollar index at this point in time, if you go to the actual dollar index, you're going to find that on the hourly time frame, there's a correction taking place. The dollar is still dipping into a correction from yesterday's high. That's important to understand, guys. All right. The dollar created a high yesterday. So it's dipping into a correction this morning. It's now 10:14. And the correction has been running for about, let's see, from early this morning at 3 up until now, the correction has been running. That does not mean the correction is going to continue running for the rest of the day. That correction by midday could have found support and then price starts pushing back up. That means the oil price can find support and then push up. That means the gold price hits the resistance and comes down. That means the silver price gets a correction here. That means the Euro USD continues down. That means the GBP USD continues down. That means the US 30 comes down. All right. That means the USD JPY pushes up. That means the AUD USD comes down. That means the NZD USD comes down. That means the S&P 500 comes down. And that means the NAS 100 also comes down first. So we are dealing with a correction at this point at the London, in the London side. All right. NZD JPY at this point 94660. GBP yen, we're still sitting at that 218. There's not been a convincing move to the downside. Needless to say, AUD JPY, I'm not even going there, guys. This thing has not gone in our direction at all. And then obviously CHF JPY is in our direction. Okay. So, oh yes, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Do you guys remember I spoke about the Nikkei? Well, guess what? The Nikkei went exactly to my levels. It started yesterday at 2210. Early this morning, it reached the area. I said I wanted to get in. Remember, I said to you guys, I wanted to go for a short here. I was in La La Land at that time. I had 100 dreams at that time. So guys, you see, really, we've now gotten to a place where you can see that what we are doing here at the Academy, guys, we are not teaching people strategy per se. We're teaching market structure and the break of market structure. When structures get broken, price moves to the next structure. You must just become skilled in identifying the structure. This identified as a structural zone. Ash, what do you mean by structural zone? this zone was structured to push up. So if price breaks into that same area, it goes back to revisit the structured zone. You must just become better, all right, at identifying where are the structured zones. That's what we are saying to all of our students. Then you can strategize. How do you apply yourself in the structured zones? Via a strategy. So the strategy here for me, I could have used as part of a strategy a sell stop. I could have gotten triggered in there. I did not use that as part of the strategy because in my mind, I thought, you know what? It's taking its time. I'll probably still find it above this area today. Look, I was wrong. It moved before. Are we together? It moved before. So, and you guys are making me laugh here, man. Jules, we're trying, man. We're trying. So, Sammy, please can you update us on BTC and GBP AUD? Of course. We'll finish off the session with the BTC and GBP AUD. Okay. And remember, we're watching those ones on a much higher time frame. Okay, much higher time frame. So GBP AUD, it's looking phenomenal here. This is phenomenal. Look at this. Oh my, absolutely stunning. Look at this, 1.89847. Beautiful. Oh, stunning. That's what I'm seeing there. All right. And then BTC. Oh man, so I'm first seeing it go here. Okay. You come tell me again, Sammy. Sammy, you come tell me again, my good sir. You come and tell me. Look at this. Guys, I'm seeing, oh my, if you in BTC like me and Sammy, you're going to be smiling right now. You can make quite a bit of money on crypto, guys. All right, I'm going to check out the crypto, some of it on the TDME platform as well, midday and 3 o'clock. All right, but we definitely want to get into some of the crypto as well, guys. Ethereum, we're going to be checking out as well, but they're looking phenomenal there. Oh, they're looking good. They're looking good. All right, so guys, all I can say is we are doing well here today. All right, we are here. We are doing well. Phenomenal London session. Everybody that has made their profits from yesterday and you're still tracking today, well done. When we come back at 12 o'clock, we will be in the minute frames first, and then I'll switch over to the hourlies after that. Okay, so guys, I'm moving between hours and minutes. For all the guys that's joining in for the first time, this is day trading made readily available to all our students. To all our students here, guys. All right? That you don't always need to hold trades for days upon end. I think at this point, you guys are seeing that trading and creating it as a revenue stream is possible. You can trade minutes, you can trade hourlies. It depends on your schedule. It depends on your schedule. So no one needs to say to you, there's only one strategy that fits this, or, try to ram down a strategy into your throat. You need to know your schedule and then apply yourself. Okay. Guys, I agree. Brilliant session. Let's come back at midday. Do not be late. Make sure you put time aside daily to join our sessions. All right. It's only 4 times a day for an hour each, roughly. Depending on the opportunity, sometimes we go for 48 minutes, 50 minutes, sometimes an hour. It all depends what the market is saying, but we are locking in 4 times a day, and we are definitely pushing hard. So I'll see you guys at 12. Don't be late, peeps. Don't be late. What a pleasure. What a privilege. And if you've joined us for the first time, man, well done. You are at the right place. I'll see you guys at midday at 12 p.m. Ciao, ciao now.